Hello, in front of me I've got OMODA 9. In this video I'll show you how to manage charging schedule. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display and go to Energy. Enter Charging and Discharging and select Schedule Charging. Here you can manage scheduled charging setting. Starting time, charging duration. Next, you can manage disclaimer. You can enable discharge and change discharge duration. Here you can unlock AC port. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.